Dear students, now we are going to discuss about the 7th standard maths, lesson 5, geometry. This is a continuation for previous video. Now I explain angles. What is meant by angles? An angle is formed when two rays diverge from a common point. The rays forming an angle are called arms of the angle and the common point is called the vertex of the angle. Now I explain acute angle. An angle whose measure is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. So acute angle means less than 90 degree. So this is the one example for the acute angle, that is suppose 35 degree. This is one example for the acute angle. The next type is right angle. Right angle means an angle whose measures is exactly 90 degree is called a right angle. So you write an angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree is called a right angle. So exactly 90 degree. This type of angle is called the right angle. So how to draw the right angle? This is one line. This another one line is perpendicular to this line. This is also called the 90 degree. So second one is right angle. The third one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree is called an obtuse angles. So an angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree is called an obtuse angle. So this is one example for obtuse angle, that is 110 degree. So in generally we draw this side. So we consider 110 degree. This is one example for the obtuse angle. The fourth one is straight angle. An angle whose measure is exactly 180 degree is called a straight angle. So exactly 180 degree this angle is called the straight angle. So straight angle is, usually we draw the straight line. This angle is 180 degree. So obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree is called the obtuse angle. Straight line is exactly 180 degree. So 180 degree is called the straight angle. The next one, reflex angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. So reflex angle means an angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. So one example for the reflex angle is 190 degree, 210 degree. This is greater than 180 and less than 360. So this type of angle is called the reflex angle. The sixth one is complementary angle. Two angles are called complementary angle if the sum is 90 degree. This type is called the complementary angle. So two angles are called complementary angle if the sum is 90 degree. So adding the two angles is equal to 90 degree. This type of angle is called the complementary angle. So for example, for the complementary angles, the pair of angles 35 degree and 55 degree are complementary to each other. So 35 degree complementary angle is 55 degree, then 55 degree is complementary angle is 35 degree, because 35 degree plus 55 degree, the two angles sum is equal to 90 degree. So another one example is 40 degree and 50 degree. 40 degree complementary angle is 50 degree, then 50 degree complementary angle is 40 degree, because the sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degree. So this type of angle is called the complementary angle. So reflex, once again I recall, reflex angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called the reflex angle. The sum of the two angles is 90 degree. This type of angles is called the complementary angle. The next one is supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means two angles are called supplementary angle if the sum is 180 degree. So the two angles sum is 180 degree. This type of angle is called the supplementary angle. One example is 70 degree and 110 degree. 70 degree supplementary angle is 110 degree. Then 110 degree is supplementary angle is 70 degree, because the sum of the two angles is 180 degree. So this type of angle is called the supplementary angle. So another one example is 100 degree and 80 degree. So 100 degree supplementary angle is 80 degree. Then 80 degree supplementary angle is 100 degree. So this type of angle is called the supplementary angles. So dear students, today we learn about some types of angles. Recall one time. Once again I recall. Angles. Angles means an angle is formed when two rays diverge from a common point. Acute angle means an angle measured is less than 90 degree is called the acute angle. Then exactly 90 degree is called the right angle. Then greater than 90 degree is called the obtuse angle. Exactly 180 degree is called the straight angle. And greater than 180 and less than 360 degree is called the reflex angle. So complementary angle is sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degree, and supplementary angle is sum of the two angles is 180 degree. So dear students, prepare well for the basic definitions for angles.